ScruffPack, howl at your boy, and welcome back to the channel. I'm so happy to bring you guys the latest playthrough series of this channel. It is Ratchet and Clank Rift Apart. Our last playthrough series was the 2016 Ratchet and Clank game, so what better way to bring in more Ratchet and Clank action with the latest game to drop. I hope you guys enjoy this part 1 prologue. Without further ado, let's get the show started.
Of the resistance, report to your nearest intake facility immediately. We promise nothing nefarious will befall you. We promise. Resistance members, report to the VIP section of your nearest intake facility for compulsory behavioral modification. It will be fun.
You lying like shit.
Your suit seems to be working nicely, blending right in. There is the assistant, and there is the infobot.
Snatch and grab.
Masterful work. Now get out of there and decrypt that thing.
Where is the infobot?
Oh, snap.
Go, go, go. Your ship is up ahead. Where are you going?
Damn.
Hey, it's okay. See? Just me. Rivet? Shh. Gotta go. Here, it'll help you get home. I designed it to be one size fits all, so it should. Thank you.
It's got her head shape, but it's one size fit all.
Don't you think it's weird to throw a celebration for us? I mean, we haven't done anything heroic in years. What if everyone thinks we're washed up? Oh, what if we are washed up?
Luckily, we will not need to perform any heroics. Unless you count smiling and waving.
This game looks so good.
Right.
Give a big welcome to the Grand Marshals of our parade, Ratchet and Clank!
The boy Skid McMarks. Old bum-ass Captain Quark.
Pericus Leslie Quark will be your host. With me, Skid McMarks.
Hey.
Trust me, Pete.
Wow, haven't seen these guys in...
Oh, I'm not gonna read the BIOS right now. It's like it's been forever for us.
After all heroes. Yes, folks, we have a momentous day in store for you. Starting with me. And ending with a surprise gift from Clank to Ratchet.
Oh dear, must he tell the entire galaxy?
Wait, a gift? For what?
Oh, you will see. It is awaiting us at the front of the parade route.
Well, we better get moving then.
Gotta smash some boxes.
On planet Hell, with Ratchet, a restless tinkerer, hungry for adventure.
And then my money.
That night,
Panties?
Clank's ship came crashing from the night sky.
Oh, that's dope.
Rescued the defective warlock, and the rest is intergalactic history.
Look at us. Best friends forever. Well, I gotta do the work for my parade. Oh.
And now, our heroes will clear this festive barricade.
I like it.
Forget the Clark
Oh, look at this gun.
Show the crowd some of those world-class sharp-shooting skills.
Uh-oh.
Well, once you
Oh.
have some ammo, of course.
Oh.
The Hall of Heroes is safe.
Hey, I think I found the wombat.
What is this supposed to be a reenactment of?
Ratchet, I do not believe this is part of the show.
I don't think so either. It better be nice. Oh, that goes far now. I like it. Hit him again. Come on. Come on. I'm just better. Is he cowering? Quark.
Someone put a bounty on us?
Uh-oh. Hey, already got my ground
This is not
boots.
about your gift. Hurry, we must get to the front of the parade route.
Selfie. Oh, I ran right into that one. Jump to it, rather.
Oh dear.
Activating Magna Boots.
Hey. We got the goods. Come on. I'm just better. Oh.
So much for smiling and waving, huh?
I would
Can I
bet
let
the
go? Oh, I
blogs are
can't.
behind this. Or the Cragmites. Or... oh... Dr. Nefarious.
Ha, no way. Nefarious has been retired longer than we have.
Oh. Oh! I was just using it. Uh-oh. Okay, I ain't mean to hit you, but that works too.
All heroes, dish the enemy. Now, he must walk the dangerous plank of
Whee!
The mysteries of the Great Clock. Again with the fighting. Emotional monologue prepared for this one.
Oh, it is a pixelator. I thought so. Shot.
goons incoming.
Oh, ow. Who shot me? Oh, damn. I like it. I like it. Some health. Thank you. Oh. Ooh.
Let's take out that
Yo, the
dropshipper
triggers?
and
Oh,
this.
man. Hey. Oh, you can hit me from here. Haha. Level up, baby. I'm safe right here. like it.
A little rusty, but not too bad.
Are they gone?
Look at him. Scared. He over here just living in the moment.
We reach the present
Y'all be like
of our
Skid.
hero's story. Ratchet, the last known Lombax, whose kind is lost in another dimension,
Oh.
will receive a mysterious gift from Clank.
I don't know if I don't think I ever knew that story.
Speech
If that's
prepared, but
new.
considering that our event seems to be under assault, I will cut to the chase. Ratchet, I do not know where I would be without you. You are my closest friend, my teammate, and you have given up a lot to... I have repaired the Dimensionator, so you can travel through dimensions and find your family.
Oh snap!
Yo, pal,
What?
Dr. Nefarious?
Ratchet and Clank! What a wonderful surprise! I didn't expect to see you here. Considering my goons were meant to annihilate you 8 minutes ago.
Oh, what do you want, Nefarious?
Yes! Can't anyone print instruction manuals anymore?
Dumbass.
We have to get the Dimensionator away from Dr. Nefarious!
Woo.
Yes, and quickly. Whatever he has planned, it cannot be good.
Oh, accident. Oh.
You're still here? Of course you are! Why wouldn't you be?
Oh, snap! He wasn't supposed to do that.
I should have known Nefarious would try something like this.
Smart.
Don't beat yourself up. This'll be just like old times. Come on, it looks like Nefarious landed somewhere near the train station. Go, Mrs. Zircon. We should grab a weapon.
Need a weapon?
Hey.
Mrs. Zircon has it all.
Welcome to Mrs. Zircon, the one-stop shop to power up your arsenal. I like it. I like it. Got the Shatter Bomb, the Enforcer, Burst Pistol. Oh, I have the Pixelator. You can watch a preview? Let's watch a preview.
Boom! That is the sound of pure power.
Zircon Jr.?
The Enforcer, with its 2 barrels of sweet, sweet destruction. You can pull the fire trigger halfway to shoot 1 barrel, and if you are feeling confident, pull it all the way to shoot both. Boom!
I like it. I like it. Let me see.
Hey, you know what is better than watching explosives? Throwing them with your bare freaking hands! Pull the fire trigger halfway to visualize your aim. Or, if you are in a hurry, pull it all the way to let them fly! Shatter bomb? More like shatter booyah!
We can go with this one.
Mrs. Zircon was betting you would pick that one.
And I'll grab the shatter bomb next.
More goons incoming.
Let's do it. You know how behind this? Oh, bitch. Huh. Oh, hold triangle to select weapon. Oh no, not the burst. I already leveled that one up.
Last one. Train's pulling away. Let's go.
Let's jump on the train. Oh, okay. I feel like I missed some money back here. I did. Oh, there's a sprint. I forgot how to sprint. I think. Yeah, I think R1's a sprint. Cool. I don't need this ammo. Nefarious.
Put down the Dimensionator, Nefarious.
Put down the Dimensionator. Yeah, right. Today, you will see what losing feels like. Spoiler, it's exhausting. As soon as I figure out these stupid coordinates. Say goodbye. Hey! What did you do?
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Whoa! What just happened?
We may have a slight problem.
The bridge is shot. There has to be another way across.
The rifts are reacting to the face quartz in your glove. Try pointing it at one of them.
Ooh.
This is definitely gonna come in handy.
It sure is. Yeah! Oh, that's so
Just
fire.
need to cut through the station and catch up to Nefarious.
Do they explain how Nefarious, how, he looks like that? Oh, I don't know what the point of that was. Oh! I guess not. Alright, hold on. Aha!
I wonder how much Nefarious is paying these guys.
Not nearly enough.
I'll take the pixelizer ammo, thank you. Man. That's where I started, ain't it? I think it is. We'll go this way.
Whoa! Watch your head.
Oh.
This is worse than I had imagined.
Oh no.
Sand sharks from above.
Oh. Y'all out of y'all element.
Was that
Oh.
a kraken?
Or at least a very large octopus.
Yikes. Yikes, people. Yikes. Excuse me? Excuse me?
Nefarious' ship. We've got to find a way up there.
The taxis leaving from that stand are driving right by him.
Then we better not miss our ride. Hey, when did you rebuild the Dimensionator?
I have hobbies. and I know that finding the Lombaxes has always been important to you. I thought perhaps we could go together.
Wow, that's really thoughtful. But why don't we get it back from Nefarious first?
I don't want to know why he's so hesitant about it. Actually, listen to what he said. Oh well. Oh, was that it? Was it all, y'all? What's this? Oh, nothing important. We'll do this one,
Next stop, Nefarious.
These rifts are getting out of hand.
Nefarious is in way over his head.
What is that?
Whoa! Hey!
That's not good.
Ready to purchase, or just staying on top of the trends?
Thank you.
Mrs. Zircon will see you back soon.
I definitely like that it's Miss Zircon doing it. Let's do it. Booyah!
Did Dr. Nefarious really resurface after
Booyah!
all these years? Just to try and take over the universe again?
Yeah, I kind of wish he was doing a worse job.
Oh, look, I gotta slightly tap it. Haha, faked him. I need this. Oh, oh. Did I level up? I think I leveled up. I did. I like it. I like this little teleport power I got going on.
4 months.
Oh! Better back it up.
Nice work, Ratchet.
Couldn't have done it without you, pal. All right, now let's get to Nefarious.
You two, these goons are useless. This is what I get for giving my assistant paid paternity.
Quickly, we cannot let Nefarious overuse the Dimensionator. We must lower his defenses.
Got me the last time. But she gonna get me this time. Oh, wait, whoa. Stop cheating. That's in the way. Uh-oh.
Toads are so unpleasant.
Very unpleasant. Where'd he go? Get away. Get away. Get away. I'm not gonna waste ammo on them. There's no need.
Oh, take that, Nefarious.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, no! Come on with it. Come on with it. Oh, no ammo. Alright. Oh, okay, so they have targets. Amoeboids? Woo! Probably didn't need to waste that. Not them trying to fight me.
How many times have we heard that?
No, it doesn't matter. Today will be the last.
Oh, was not ready for that one. I can't see. Not you dancing on me. Come on now. Boom. Got him. Launch another one. That's it. That's all I got. First pistol. You ain't gonna make it. Let's go.
You think a crushing defeat is all it takes to stop me?
I mean, yes.
Well, think again. We're going to a dimension where I always win, so you can finally know how it feels.
Damn. Uh-oh.
The dimensions are weakening considerably.
Oh! We're not expecting that.
How bad is it?
Ooh. Oh, this is tricky.
Well, it has certainly not good.
Right.
Where are we?
Oh, I can control it. Okay. All right. Sorry. Uh-oh. I made him mad. Yikes.
We've been boarded! Get off me,
Load up.
ship, foul creature!
Oh no.
Did I do it? Oh, what is this? What's with all the neon?
This is the part where you lose.
Ratchet, the Dimensionator.
I am cowering in fear. Whoa.
Ratchet? Oh dear, my arm. And no, the Dimensionator. It. What have I done?
What have you done?
Who are you?
Someone with a lot of questions. Let's go for a ride.
Oh no.
Wait, I have to find my friend.
Hi? It's me? It's me! It worked! It worked! I am the winner!
Emperor Nefarious, you have returned early from your conquest.
Ah.
Yes, Emperor!
Damn.
Oh. Clank? Clank? Wombats? What is this place?
Alright, ScruffPack, that is all the time we have for today's video. This has been part 1 of Ratchet & Clank Rift Apart. Personally, I've enjoyed this game. It looks beautiful, it plays amazingly, and of course there's new mechanics, new ways to traverse the map, but it's not about what I think completely. I also want to know what you think. So if you enjoyed the video, leave a like and a comment of all your thoughts down below. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. That way you never miss when a new video goes live. I plan to bring you guys more Ratchet & Clank Rift Apart, so be sure to tune in when those go live. And if you want to follow me on my socials, I will link them all down below. Twitter, IG, and TikTok. You also can hop in my Gilded server with the rest of the ScruffPack community and network and make new friends there. And don't forget, I do stream live on Twitch at twitch.tv/IamScruffyWolf. So if you want to catch me there, I'll provide all those links down below. But again, I hope you guys enjoyed this and be prepared for more Ratchet & Clank Rift Apart. I'll catch y'all later.